Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a March Boxycharm base box review, and I'm also going to be demoing each product for you guys so that you can tell whether it's worth it. And yeah, let's just get into it. This is the box right here. Real quick guys, just in case you don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty box subscription. It's $25 a month and you get 5 full-size items. That's for the base box. They also have Boxycharm Premium, which is $39.99 a month and you get 6 full-size items. And last but not least, they also have Boxy Luxe, which is $59.99. You get 8 full-size items, but it comes every 3 months. Now that we got that out of the way, we are reviewing the base box, like I said, and let's go. If you guys are new here, I try each product in order. So it looks like we have some skincare here, and then I'll go into the makeup items. First up, we have the Brightening Vitamin C Mask by Frank Body. It looks like a roll-on deodorant. Let me see what this looks like. Oh, okay, so it's a pump. Oh, I did not expect it to be a liquid like that. So it says to apply a thick layer of this, and then you're supposed to rub it in for 30 seconds and then leave on for 5 minutes. This is a Brightening Vitamin C Mask. It's natural and cruelty-free. It also dissolves the top layer of dead, dull, damaged skin with their papaya and pineapple extract. It has lactic, glycolic, and salicylic acids, and it also has vitamin C for hyperpigmentation, scarring, and fine lines. Okay, so I just rinsed my skin. I haven't been drying my face after I wash it. I just leave it wet and let the water soak in. Apparently it's really good for water retention or something. I don't know. Oh, but that brightening mask was only $19.95. Can you believe that? This is gonna last a while too. But anyway, let's move on to the Velvet Skin Drink. I believe this brand is called Korres. It looks like it's just a light oil. It has a little bit of scent. I can't pick up what that is. It's a very light, calming scent. It's not overpowering, by the way. Transform your skin to velvet with a single drop of multitasking treatment that blurs imperfections, smooths texture, and replenishes skin with awakened hydration. This is $48, so it doesn't say what the scent is, but I'm trying to figure it out. Also, don't mind this. I burned the crap out of my skin using a retinol. I used it too many days in a row. It's just looking a little scaly. This did absorb really nicely into the skin. You can still feel it on top, like it does feel like a little greasy, but not like overly greasy, if you know what I mean. Because I hate really greasy products. Also, I will say, when I saw $48, I was like, $48, holy shit. But this will last you such a long time. You only really need a pea-sized amount of this. And if it corrects texture, I'm in. Next up, it looks like we have a brush set here by Luxie. So it comes with the little case. There is a liner brush, a tapered blending brush, an eye shaping brush, and a concealer brush. It also comes with a little detailed blender in here. This is perfect to get into those trouble spots, like the corners of your nose. I mean, I always have problems with that, and like the inner corners of my eyes. So I'm definitely excited to use those. This set is $40, which Luxie has really great quality brushes, so $40 I think is a great price point. The next 2 products here, we have a lip liner, and it looks like a liquid lipstick. So I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup off camera so I don't bore you guys, and I'll be back to try those. All right guys, we are gonna get into this lip liner. Oops, I just opened it without thinking, but this is the Persona lip liner. And here is the pencil. So it's like a cream gel lip liner. I don't typically like cream liners. I like pencils because they just stay better. I think it's something to do with kind of like the roughness of it. It has more staying power. I don't know. If you guys use a pencil, I think you understand. Okay, this is in the shade 90210. Such a throwback. This formula is super creamy. I really like this color. It's like a brick. All right, I think that's as good as we're gonna get it. It takes me forever to do my lips. That lip liner is $14, by the way. I think that's a really good price. For my lip liners, I like to smudge them with a Q-tip. I do that to make it look a little bit more natural. And I'm telling you guys, this was barely budging. It was taking me a while to smudge it, but that means that it has really good staying power. If I can get like a shade that's more of like a natural like lip liner shade, I'd be really interested to try that out. Moving on to the last product. This is the Eleman Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick. Am I holding it upside down? Oops. It's just a little doe foot applicator. This is in the shade Miami. It's a nice fruity scent to it, but it's not super overpowering. I like the contrast of the darker liner with the lighter lip. This is a beautiful shade. This lipstick is $18 and it's created to give you a weightless, long-lasting wear. It's infused with vitamin E and it's a non-sticky formula that will set dry with a soft touch feel. It does feel a little bit sticky right now, but it's not fully dried down. So I'll give it another minute. Oh, I forgot lashes. That's what I forgot. Okay. All right, guys, got my lashes on. This is how the lip dried down. I do feel a slight tackiness. It's not completely like velvety smooth, but I do really like it. And this color makes your teeth look really white, which is always a bonus. I don't know if I mentioned it already, but this lip is $18. That is, I think, a little pricey for this amount here because this almost looks like a sample size. But I'm looking through their website here and they have a lot of really cool colors. So I guess it just depends on whether $18 is expensive to you. But yeah, overall, I really like this look. This is very fall, even though we're going into spring, but I like it. I normally say what my favorite product is, but I actually have two. I love both the skincare ones. Obviously, the vitamin C mask. I really saw a nice glow when I took it off. And then also the, what is this called? This is the Velvet Skin Drink, the oil. My foundation went on so smoothly. I don't know if you guys can even tell, but it does feel like it gave that subtle blur. And if you have dry skin, I think you'll really like that. I personally have oily skin. I even liked it. I liked it for underneath my eyes. I do get like a little bit of crepiness when it comes to foundation, or concealer, I mean. So I like using an oil underneath there. It just really prevents against that creasing and like the weird like crepiness. But yeah, let me know what your favorite product was that I showed you. And if you already got your box in, let me know what you got. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it. That really helps me out. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Also, for those of you who watch my videos all the time, thank you so much for all the amazing comments on my last video when I was talking about my mental health. I am doing a lot better. I'm starting to go for walks in the morning. That way I can get some fresh air. I feel like it's just, I mean, it's fact that it's not good to be staying in the house all day long. And I have been exercising. I have been pretty good at doing like an every other day exercising before I started going for the walks, but it is nice to just get fresh air while I'm exercising. So that's also just been really helping to decloud my mind and just lift my spirits a little bit. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for all the support, and I love hearing your stories as well. It just really makes us feel just even that much more connected, and I definitely will get on a schedule of doing at least one of those a month, maybe every other week, just depending on how much of a mess I am. But anyway, guys, I love you. I need to really figure out a way to end these. Every single time I'm like, bye. But bye.